We are back. We are back with another What I Brought This Month. But this one's a little special because this one includes an unboxing. Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits. And yes, we're gonna start off this month, what I brought this month for the month of June 2022 with this unboxing. So let's start off with this, shall we? So this is something that I got off of Farfetched. But before I get into the details, let's just open it. Okay. So, of course, it came in a shipping box, and then inside the shipping box, it was wrapped just like this. So, let's untape it here. Alright, here we go. So, it got the plastic off, and then it had this little card inside of the protective plastic. This just says, thank you for your purchase on our website, and we will find exclusive products from the best luxury brands. There we go. And this purchase came from a shop in London. Oh snap. Okay, so again, they have more protective stickers. The shop name is Aruso Capri. And then I got a pair of Alexander McQueen. I know, because I know what you're going to say. Rakita, don't you have a love-hate relationship with your sparkly pair of Alexander McQueens? And I do. I'm full of hypocrisy. I know. But listen, I've always said I love those sneakers, my pink ones. It's just breaking them in, it ain't for the weak of hearts, okay? Breaking them bad boys in, making them comfortable, you know, takes skill. It takes patience. But they so pretty, they worth it. So let's get into these pair. Okay. So let's just get the top off. All right, come on now. Oh, good. Okay, all right. Okay, here we go. Let's take the top off. Dun, dun, dun. All right. How you get it? Okay, just rip the paper off. All right, here we go. And what kind did I get? Oh, yes, honey. Okay, let's take them out the box. We did the dramatics. Let's take them out the box. Here we go. Yeah, they are so pretty. Now, okay, hear me out. This is my logic. Hear me out. I got the regular classic in this one pretty navy blue, but I also wanted to see with just the leather without all the glitter, would it be as hard to break in? Because I think the glitter pair that I got makes the leather a little bit tight because of all the embellishments that's on it. So, you know, hopefully these is right out the gate comfortable. But if not, I'm willing to do the work. I will make them comfortable. I will break them in. That is fine with me. And look at these laces. Do they come with a regular pair of laces? Hold on. Let me get with my dust bag. Child. They lucky I don't store them in a dust bag or I have a whole attitude. Well, no, I still got an attitude, but it do come with white laces. But I probably would never use them because these laces are super cute. Super cute. There we go. So that is the first thing that I brought in June 2022. Next thing that I brought this month was this really pretty dress. So in my mind, this dress is an all year round dress, because up top it is very thin with a very light lining, and then at the bottom. It's nice and long, so it's cool enough and light enough for both spring and summer nights. But then, you know, in the winter, obviously over a coat, but then in the autumn, over a nice blazer or maybe a light beige cardigan or light pink sweater. I think that's gonna be so pretty. But this is like grown and sexy, but at the same time, you know, sophisticated. That's a great combination. So I love this dress. I got this from one of my favorite online boutiques. It's called Styled by Terry. Of course, I will link the boutique below in the description box, but this is really pretty. When I put this on, I thought I was cute. I really did. I really did. So probably already know, but the things that I've done a separate video on or unboxing, I'm gonna try, because y'all know I talk too much. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to just go ahead and breeze by. But the next thing I got was this Rustlin Bukowski, y'all know what I'm trying to say, hat. And I got this one also off of Farfetched. So I got this in the beginning of the month, so Lord only knows where my paperwork at. So I don't know where this came from, but it's cute. It's cute. The other two I got, I feel like more of a, because of the material that it's made out of, more of like an autumn winter situation. So I wanted a nice one for the summer and spring. It's cute. It is. It's cute. All right, but that's it. I don't want to look. Look, my vainness don't want it to push it all the way down so it can mess up my hair. But I like it. It's nice. It's made of like this raffia material or maybe tighted straw knit material. But it's pretty. I like it. It works. Oh, and it came with a dust bag. So I did a quick reveal on this cutie, but I just wanted to recap it in this video because again, I did buy it in June. But as I said in that video, if you haven't seen it, I will link it up here. But like I said in that video, I was very pleasantly surprised when I unboxed this thing. Again, I got it from Amazon. It was like $49. It was under 50 bucks. But it is a nice alternative to the Prada crystal bags. Really, really pretty. Like it. So y'all remember when I did the unboxing with Tanika B here on YouTube's collection that she did with Amazon, The Drop, and then I styled it later and all that great stuff? Well, she relaunched it and she included the blazer to the plum colored pants. Yes. Well, not plum, magenta. Yep, I'm magenta. That's it. That's the word, magenta. So oh Lord. Okay. So I already owned the pants, remember? So I just added the blazer so I can have the set. Oh my God. Like, I'm here for it. But real quick, just wanted to show you that I got the blazer. This month, I also picked up some Gucci Beauty. Look at this packaging. Look, so it comes in this little she has a dust bag. I also did a quick unboxing and short here on YouTube for these, but this is the, what is this? The bronzing powder. And look at the packaging though. Just look at the packaging. Okay, the packaging is stunning. So this is, like I said, the bronzing powder. I got it in shade 05. I think it's the second to the darkest that they have, you know, for my chocolateness. But look at the packaging. And then what you do is you open it here, and then under the powder, look, I'm trying to make sure I don't mess up my compact, is a cute that, you know, I don't use. I just use a regular brush. But it comes with this, which is absolutely everything. You just store it in here. And then boom. And then of course the mirror on top. but I ain't gonna lie, I brought it for the packaging. But I'm gonna try it out. I am gonna try it. I haven't used it yet, so I will do a quick little short or update or whatever, just to let you guys know if the actual product is worth the package. And then I got the beauty powder, you know, for little touch-ups and stuff on the go or to set, you know, whatever. But look at that, that is so pretty. And then the same thing, the brush that it comes with is actual underneath the product. And again, don't use it, but boom. And I got this in a matte natural 12. All right, stunning. And then y'all seen this in my designer sunglasses collection, but these are my newest pair. It's so cute. Listen. Why your whole attitude change when you put on a cute, stunning pair of sunglasses? Or is it just me? It could be just me. It could be just me. I don't know. It could be just me. But yeah, I'm okay with that. So next I picked up this sweater vest from Nordstrom. It is from the brand BP. I got it in size large. It's a little oversized, but that's the look that I was going for because I want to wear it in like the summer, you know, obviously without a shirt under it, like maybe a cute little bralette or sports bra to like kind of show through. So I want it to be oversized so it can be airy, and then and it's, you know, it's pretty thin. You know, so I just thought it was cute. And you know, I love these things. But, and then it was, how much was this thing? It was $39. So, you know, not too bad. Not too badly priced. And then while I was at Nordstrom's, I also picked up this cute little silk-esque top button down from Topshop. So this is not, I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but it's more of an ivory than it is white. And it is by Topshop. I got it in a size 12 for an oversized look because again, I want to wear this in the cooler months and I don't want it sticking to my body. And then, you know, I want to go for an oversized look when I wear it. I don't want it to be, you know, business-like or casual. Business-like or casual, chill. I don't want it to be business-like. I want it to have a more casual feel. And the material on top of it being a classic button-up, if I didn't get it oversized, I felt like it would be very hard to pull off a casual look with it. So I got it oversized. And last but not least, I know, I got another pair of Bermuda shorts. But I found these on Amazon for a very good price. I think they were like under 20 bucks. And I just wanted to really try them because I like this tie detail around the waist, and then the bottom have this little cuff detail, and I just thought that was cute. And like I said, they were under $20, so like the price was right enough to try it. Okay, good people, that is it. That is everything that I brought in June of 2022. So let me know what was your favorite. Let me know if you have interest in any of these pieces. Leave them down in the comments. If there's any questions that I haven't answered that you want me to answer, you know where's the problem? Ain't no problem, just leave them in the comments. I'll make sure to answer them. And of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, support your girl, because you know I appreciate it. Go ahead and support me. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications so you don't miss a video from your girl. Also, stay with me. Keep up with me on Instagram, where I'll be styling these pieces, you know, striking poses and stuff, thinking I'm cute over there on Instagram. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Rakita's Closet. And yeah, I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye. What she just had to be in the video.